Hey friend, Graham Cochran here, seven-figure business owner and fanatical user of the online business platform Kajabi. In this video series, I'm gonna walk you through over 31 days how to do everything you need to do inside of Kajabi, from launching products to sending marketing emails to creating webinars to scaling and automating your online business so you make more while working less. It's all here. Now, if you don't already have Kajabi, you're in luck. I want to get you access to a 14-day free trial using my link, grahamcochran.com/Kajabi. But not just the free trial, because you can get that anywhere. I want to give you 2 free mini courses just by signing up with my link. One you'll get the moment you join, called Ready, Set, Kajabi, which walks you through hand in hand how to launch your business with Kajabi, including some of my best ninja marketing tactics that I use on the regular. You get that the moment you sign up with my link. And then if you become a paying member of Kajabi after the trial, I'm gonna send you a free sales copy formula mini course, my 3-step sales copy formula to help you sell more products to more people effortlessly. It's all for free if you just sign up for Kajabi using my link at grahamcochran.com/Kajabi, or I'll link to it below. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I bring both content and community together inside of my memberships with Kajabi. Hope you're ready to dive in. I'm Graham Cochran, and this is 31 Days with Kajabi. Inside of my product backend for this business, you see a few of my products, and you notice 2 things. You notice Graham's 6-figure coaching, this blue product, and Graham's 6-figure community. And they are both my membership. They come together, but this is functionally the difference. If you want a really good membership, you got to understand memberships aren't just content. Like an online course is content. And yes, people come to a membership for content, but I think it was Ryan Lee who years ago said people come for the content, but they stay for the community. They come for the content, but they stay for the community. So having a community aspect to your membership is critical. Now, a lot of times these days, people are using Facebook groups, which is fine and great if your people are on Facebook. I am finding more and more that my students aren't all on Facebook. And so having a Facebook group is actually limiting if that's your only community aspect of a membership. Kajabi has communities built in to their platform, which is beautiful. But the way it works, it's technically 2 separate products, okay? So product 1, Graham's 6-figure coaching, is where all the content lives. Product 2, Graham's 6-figure community, where the community lives. Let me show you quickly how they integrate and what they look like together behind the scenes. I'll give you a little sneak peek, but then let me show you how to set that up inside of Kajabi. So the 6-figure coaching product looks like this on my web membership site, and this is where all the content is. This is where I'm giving them their latest masterclass, where I'm giving them a bunch of bonus content, and there's a bonus course they get. And what I've done is integrate the community into this product. So there's actually a link they can click on that links over to the community product. And again, I'll show you all this in the back end in a minute. When you click on that, it's actually taking you to the community product. It's now a separate product, but I've had it integrated into the menu so it looks really seamless. And this is where people are chatting, dropping videos, asking questions, all that kind of stuff, sharing wins. This is the community aspect. So technically this is my community product, whereas if I go back, I'm in the coaching product where all my content lives, and I just integrate them so it seems seamless for the end user, but it's really 2 Kajabi products all baked into one offer. So let's show you what that looks like in the back end. All right, so here I'm inside of one of my offers. When I sell my 6-figure coaching community, this is a monthly plan. And so there's the name of the plan, you pick your price, but included products are my 6-figure coaching product. That's the one that showed my big old mug on the video, and that's where all the content lives. And the 6-figure community product is what I call it, and that's the actual Kajabi community. So when they buy this offer, and that's how you want to set it up, they get both products. It's 2 products in one offer. So I position it and sell it as just a membership because that's all it is. But on the technical back end, when they buy into that membership monthly or annually or whatever, they're getting access to 2 Kajabi products in the back end, but it's really one thing they're getting, right? But the way it's technically done in Kajabi is 2 products. So you want to set up one product for your actual content, where you have your welcome video, where you have all kinds of trainings, the stuff that's happening every month. This is even where I link to my monthly live Zoom calls, things like that. And then you want a community product, which is where they can ask questions, share wins, share quick issues. You can drop videos and GIFs and all kinds of stuff. And then you want them tightly integrated so that they link to each other. So let's go into my partner dashboard and I'll show you how to set this up from fresh. So if you wanted to make a membership in Kajabi like that, you'd want to build 2 products. So we'd go to new product and we would do membership to get started. We'll call it my membership. So now it's built the actual content part of the membership. If we preview this, let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's Kenny, right? So this is where you could tweak, you can obviously tweak the look of this. You can get rid of the menu, which I would. You can have a welcome video. All their content can be here. I love this idea of having like some like announcement graphics on the side, by the way. You could link to like a product inside of your membership with like a special offer just for your members. That's actually a cool idea. I should do that. So this is where your like content would be. And then we need to go back and actually build a second product now. So let's go back to products and let's make the community product. So scroll down and you would choose a community, right? It literally says create a Facebook-like group for your members to communicate in. This is so important. So I'm gonna call this my community. And with the communities, they're real simple. What's cool is you can customize the sidebar to have information and graphics and stuff. And then you can add topics as well. So like I have topics like a share your wins topic. I have different stages of growth for my members. And so there's a topic for each stage. I have a whole topic called Kajabi because I'm trying to convert most of my members to Kajabi. And most of them already are in Kajabi. So when we share Kajabi tips or have Kajabi questions inside of my membership, to help them with their business, they can ask Kajabi questions. So you could create all that there. If we take a look at our community, let's preview that. So there's no posts obviously right now, but the feed, this is where the feed is. We're all good to go. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget, if you want to jump on the free trial of Kajabi and get up to 2 amazing free bonus courses from yours truly, just go to grahamcochran.com/Kajabi and sign up today. That's it for today's video. I hope to see you tomorrow as we dive deeper into Kajabi and help take your business to the next level.